Hey folks, Tom Bell here with your Diz Daily Fix for Friday, December 14th, 2018. Here is what's happening. The Play Disney Parks app just got a little more interactive at Disneyland Park. The free app, which debuted last summer, offers games, trivia, and digital achievements for those waiting in line at the theme parks. Now Disneyland guests can collect free fortunes from Esmeralda on Main Street and Fortune Red in New Orleans Square. Now, by using the Play Disney Parks app, guests can get a free fortune and one piece of that particular fortune teller's story each day. You return to the machine another day to get the next part of the story. Currently, there are 3 10-part stories to collect from each machine. That's a lot. Now, just like the current 25-cent fortunes, the free fortunes and stories are printed on collectible cards. Plus, they're also digitally collected in the app, so you can check them out on your phone as well. Once you complete a story, you'll also receive a digital, on your app, a story-specific achievement on the Play Disney Parks app. Now, of course, you will find Esmeralda in the Candy Palace on Main Street, USA, and Fortune Red outside Pieces of 8 in New Orleans Square, so check that out. In other news, the Disney Performing Arts workshops at the Disneyland Resort offer a look behind the scenes at everything from dance techniques to technical theater. Now, the workshops are typically only open to school groups of 10 kids or more, but during one weekend in February, Disneyland is opening them up for individual enrollment for any elementary, middle, or high school aged performer. On Saturday, February 9th, you can sign your student up for Dance Technique Tap, Disney Culinary Arts, Music 201, The Building Blocks of Score, or Dream Design and Do, which focuses on Disney's spectaculars. On Sunday, February 10th, look for Dance Technique Jazz, Music 101 Inside the Soundtrack of Disneyland, Technical Theater Premium Workshop, and Soundtracks Session Vocal, which simulates a film recording studio. The cost for these workshops start at $62 each, and some of them have minimum age requirements. For any of them, you have to be at least 7 years old, and some of them have older requirements. Finally, today, if you are heading into Magic Kingdom over at Walt Disney World the next week or so, just a reminder that Casey's Corner's 12 Days of Christmas Dogs starts today. Each day through Christmas, enjoy a different specialty dog, highlighting the 2018 Hot Dogs of the Month. On the first day of Christmas dogs, Casey gave to us a pineapple teriyaki dog. Also a reminder that over at Disney Springs at Walt Disney World, the Kingdom Hearts pop-up event begins today, and you can check out the new Kingdom Hearts 3 game. You look for that now through January 31st near the Lime parking garage in Town Center. Today's featured article comes from our own Katrina Manzoni, who shares her culinary favorites from Festival of Holidays at Disney California Adventure. Check out her thoughts in Top 8 Must-Try Items at Festival of Holidays over at www.info.com. Trending on the Disboards today is a thread from poster POTC Fan, who wants to know if there are any new surprises at Walt Disney World while wearing your Magic Bands. Dizzers run through the short list of magical moments triggered by the RFID in the bands. And you find the thread Magic Band Surprises in the Theme Parks, Attractions, and Strategies forum at disboards.com. Time for the weather. In Orlando, you'll see scattered thunderstorms on Saturday with a high of 73, low of 57, leading to partly cloudy skies on Sunday with a high of 70, low of 49. Going to be mostly sunny most of the weekend in Anaheim, highs around 70, lows around 50. You can find links to all these stories and much, much more on our Daily Fix main page at www.info.com/dailyfix. That's going to do it for me today, but be sure to join us again on Monday for the next installment of the Diz Daily Fix. Have a great day.